So what's up, guys? We're back. I got a whole nother restoration project right now. Look, check them out. Bam! Shout out to my boy Eric. It's a crazy story behind these, so let me tell you. Alright, so he was, I believe, in the gym or somewhere, I'm not sure, but he seen him on one of his friends who got his feet, right? And he was like, man, I'll buy them off you right now. I'll give you $100. The dude thought he was playing, but he ended up giving the 100, and he ended up making the dude walking home barefoot. I don't know if he had slides or some other shoes, but he ended up buying them off his feet. Just check them out. Look, I'm gonna show you all the details. Just check them out.
Oh,
alright, say less.
Nigga,
Here you go.
Appreciate you. Hell yeah.
What's the thing? What's the thing?
Them hoes is icy, you feel me?
Yeah.
The fucking camera, them hoes
Okay.
came back to fucking life. You hear? Hell yeah. Them hoes look fucking good, bro.
Yeah,
and then I got like 10 pairs in this bitch for you, dog. Straight up.
Yeah. That's my boy Eric right here.
Did I cut in Cypress, bro? T.O. Barber Studio, you feel me? Hit me up. I got y'all.
Sir, bought me a whole bag full of kids. Damn. Damn.